Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. HydraFacial is highly recommended by parlor professionals and dermatologists for its powerful effects, including locking moisture on your skin for 72 hours and maintaining youthfulness. It can also reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin texture, and enhance overall skin hydration. If you suffer from dark circles, uneven tone, or dullness, a HydraFacial can be beneficial by revitalizing your skin's glow and evening out your complexion. To start, cleanse your face by mixing 2 tablespoons of raw or pasteurized milk with 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Gently clean your face with this mixture. Milk contains lactic acid, which helps exfoliate dead skin cells and brighten the skin, while glycerin deeply hydrates, ensuring your skin remains moisturized and nourished. For exfoliation, take 1 tablespoon of Glam flour and mix it with water. Gently massage this mixture onto your face, concentrating on areas with dark spots or uneven texture. Glam flour is an excellent natural exfoliator, helping to remove dead skin cells and excess oil, which can prevent acne and pimples. Unlike harsh scrubs, Glam flour exfoliates without stripping your skin of essential moisture, leaving it smooth and radiant. Next, prepare a massaging cream using 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder or juice, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of rose water, and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Massage this cream onto your face, including the eyebrows and lips, until absorbed. Beetroot is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which helps in reducing pigmentation and promoting an even skin tone. Aloe vera soothes the skin, reduces inflammation, and provides a cooling effect, making your skin feel refreshed and revitalized. Lastly, apply a mask made of 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay and glycerin, letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before wiping it off. Bentonite clay detoxifies the skin by absorbing toxins and impurities, tightening pores, and reducing acne. This homemade facial, enriched with vitamin C and a substitute for hyaluronic acid, will leave your skin glowing and youthful, reduce signs of aging, and enhance your skin's overall health. Remember to always patch test if you have sensitive skin and ensure you stay hydrated for the best results. This DIY HydraFacial is not only cost-effective but also uses natural ingredients that are gentle on your skin, providing you with a luxurious spa-like experience at home. By incorporating these simple yet effective steps into your skincare routine, you can achieve a radiant and youthful complexion without breaking the bank. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.